Imagine a world where every second counts. A world where 60 seconds can make or break the game, decide a championship, or even change your life. Welcome to the arena of short-form content, where brevity is the name of the game. In this game, there are no second chances. Every word, every sound, every silence is a calculated move. It's a high-stakes game of chess, and you're the grandmaster. The secret to success? Strong, memorable characters. They're the heart and soul of your story. The glue that binds everything together. Characters that viewers can relate to, empathize with, and ultimately root for. But it doesn't stop there. The magic continues with the right background music. An orchestral masterpiece, a cinematic score. It sets the pace, builds the tension, and takes the viewers on a roller coaster ride of emotions. Remember, in this game, time is of the essence, so make every second count. Because in the world of short-form content, 60 seconds can change everything, and you hold the power to make that change. Welcome to the world of short YouTube videos, a world where less is more, and every second is a story waiting to be told.